In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to the client portal in Gohighlevel. We're going to keep this simple and straightforward so you can quickly find the client portal area inside your Gohighlevel account. If you're new to this section, don't worry. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what you'll see once you get there. To begin, go to Gohighlevel and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, you'll be on the main dashboard for your location or sub-account. This is where you can access different tools and settings depending on what you need to manage. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the main navigation menu. If you ever have trouble finding a feature in the platform, the left sidebar is usually the first place to check. It contains the course sections of your account, and in this case, it's where you'll go to access the area related to courses and client access. From that left side menu, click on Memberships. This section is where Gohighlevel organizes membership content and related features. If your account includes course products, learning areas, or portals for clients to access content, this is the place you'll want to be. After you click into Memberships, move your attention to the top menu. There, click on Client Portal. This will take you directly into the Client Portal dashboard. If you don't immediately recognize the page, just look at the top navigation and confirm that Client Portal is selected. Once you're on that page, take a moment to read the section titled, "What is a client portal?" This is helpful because it explains the purpose of the portal and gives you a better understanding of how this feature is meant to be used. If you're setting this up for the first time, reading that overview can give you useful context before you make any changes or share access with others. You can also see the client portal URL from this same area. That's useful because it shows you the web address associated with your portal, making it easier to identify where clients would go to access it. If you need to reference the portal location later, this is the place to find it. And that's it. To get to the client portal in Gohighlevel, log in, use the left-hand menu to open memberships, click Client Portal in the top menu, review the portal information, and locate the portal URL on the page. Once you know this path, it becomes very quick to access anytime you need it.